All right, this one should be nice and short because dividing algebraic fractions is mostly the same as multiplying, except we've got one little thing to do at the start to set us up. So we've got, here we go, 6 over p divided by p cubed over -2. Now, it doesn't matter what your fractions are. If we've got a division, all we need to do is flip this second one upside down. So I'm going to rewrite it with the -2 on top and the p cubed on the bottom. So let's do that. I've got 6 over p, and I'm going to change the divide to a multiply. So we flip it upside down, or in other words, in mathematical terms, we say we invert it. And now it's just like the multiplying. Now, we've got a video that you can go and check out, multiplying algebraic fractions. We might as well finish this one off. When we're multiplying, we multiply across the tops. So I'm going to do the 6 times the -2 to get my -12. And then we multiply across the bottom, the denominators. P times p cubed is going to give me p to the power of 4. And that was the solution we got over here. I'm going to pause it for a second, and I'll put one up for you to have a go at. All right, here's one for you to have a go at. I'm going to pause the video right now. I'm going to give you a chance to have a go at that one yourself, and then I'll pop my solution up. We'll have a quick chat about it. All right, I hope you got the same result as me. Let's have a quick walk through it. It's a division of fractions. So I take the second fraction and I invert it. I flip it upside down, and then I change the divide to a multiply. And then I'm going to do my my techniques for multiplying fractions, which is I do the numbers first. Well, this one's easy. There's 7 times 1 because there's an invisible 1 here. So 7. 3 times 2 gives me 6 on the bottom. There's my numbers, 7 over 6. Do the letters in alphabetical order. So I've got m squared, p cubed. So I'm going to write the m squared p cubed, and on the bottom I've just got a p. Now I can cancel out. I've got 1 p I take away from the bottom, which means I've got to take 1 away from the top. I had 3, that drops down to 2. So my top now, my numerator looks like 7m squared p squared over 6. By the way, those numbers can't simplify. 7 over 6. If you try to put that in your calculator to simplify it, you're going to get 7 over 6. That's as simple as you can break that fraction down to. All right, hopefully that makes sense. Good job, well done.